and it's powered by Glen Eden Kebab, and he sponsored today's meet and greet event. Thank you, Bandesh Bhai, highly appreciated. So it says powered by Glen Eden Kebab, but this is Glenfield. It's another branch of Bandesh Bhai, so we have several other branches. And it is also supported by TOFA, which is a charitable organization, and that is with Mr. Hassan Abbas Bandesh, the guy in red shirt, very smart and handsome looking. And I'm saying handsome looking, so keep the camera on me. Just kidding. So,
मैं शुभ अल्फाजों में से कुछ अल्फाजों का इस्तेमाल करें।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आप लोगों को पसंद आया होगा पोस्ट एंड अनाउंसमेंट, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट था। पहली दफ़ा तो हमने किसी मॉल में रखा है। तो अली भाई कोशिश कर रहे हैं, मेहनत कर रहे हैं कि ये शो कामयाब हो जाए और इस तरह के और भी अच्छे अच्छे प्रोग्राम आप लोगों के लिए आते रहेंगे।
The advisor of Pakistan Association of the Advisors are looking at my bad.
My name is Shireen, my daughter Aisha. Aisha is stepping into the modeling world. I'm supporting her.
Something different. First time in New Zealand gonna happen. So please everyone come and support us for this beautiful event.
This sport is understood.
Thank you.
Look forward to the bright colours on stage.
Thank you.
It's very rare because we have seen very conflict in this Assalamualaikum everyone. Thank you sorry, for this beautiful food. Thank you so much for the beautiful company of all these lovely people. Thank you so much, and I wish and pray this is going to be success.